Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English 101. I am your host, Bahar. It is great to have you here for our fourth story. Family is a very special topic. It is about the people we love and who love us. They are our first teachers and our best friends. Today, we will learn some very important words to talk about these special people. Our new story is called A Family Story. It's part of our Bahar's Life series and is perfect for basic level learners. I will read it slowly so you can relax, listen, and learn with me about Bahar's family. Let's begin. Today, Bahar is not going to the park. She is staying at home. The weather is a little rainy. It is a perfect day to relax inside. She is sitting on her big, comfortable sofa. In her hands, she is holding a large, old photo album. The cover is made of dark brown leather. It is heavy. This album is very special. It is full of pictures of her family. A family is a group of people who love each other very much. Bahar feels happy when she looks at these photos. She carefully opens the first page. The paper is old and thick. There is a beautiful picture of her parents, her mother and her father. They are standing under a big green tree. Her mother's name is Sarah. In the photo, she is wearing a pretty yellow dress. She is very kind and has a warm, gentle smile. Her eyes are bright and full of love. Bahar remembers when her mother taught her how to cook. Her mother was very patient. "First, we wash the vegetables," she said with her soft voice. "Cooking is like painting. You add different colors to make something beautiful." Bahar's father's name is Ali. In the photo, he is standing next to her mother. He is tall and strong. He is wearing a simple blue shirt. He is very funny and always tells jokes. Bahar remembers her father telling her bedtime stories. He could make funny voices for all the animals in the story. He always made her laugh. Bahar loves her parents very much. They are her home. She turns the page slowly. She sees a picture of herself as a little girl. She is playing with her brother. His name is Omid. He is her younger brother. In the photo, he is trying to build a tower with colorful blocks. He is a student now. He studies engineering. He is very smart and loves to build things. They like to play games together, even now. Sometimes they play video games. Omid always wins. Bahar also has one sister. Her name is Laleh. In another photo, Laleh is helping a young Bahar ride a bicycle. Laleh is her older sister. She is very caring and responsible. Laleh is a doctor now. She works in a big hospital and helps many people. Bahar, Omid, and Laleh are siblings. Siblings are brothers and sisters. Bahar is happy she has siblings. When she is sad, she talks to Laleh. When she wants to laugh, she talks to Omid. Do you have any siblings? Bahar thinks to herself, looking at the happy photo. On the next page, there is a very big picture from a family party. Everyone is together, smiling and laughing. In the center of the photo, she sees her grandparents, her grandfather, and her grandmother. They are sitting on two big chairs. Her grandfather is her father's father. His name is Reza. He is old and has white hair. He is very wise. He tells the best stories about the old days. He can talk for hours, and Bahar loves to listen. Her grandmother is her father's mother. Her name is Miriam. She is sitting next to her husband. She has a very kind face. She makes the most delicious cookies in the world. They are chocolate chip cookies. They are always soft and warm. Bahar loves visiting her grandparents. Their house is small and cozy and always smells like cookies and old books. In the same big picture, she sees her aunt and uncle. Her Aunt Mina is her father's sister. She is wearing a bright green dress and is laughing very loudly in the picture. Her uncle named Hamid is her mother's brother. He is holding a camera. He loves to take pictures of the family. They are also part of her family. Her Aunt Mina has 2 children. They are Bahar's cousins. Her boy cousin's name is Kian, and her girl cousin's name is Tara. In the photo, Kian and Tara are making funny faces at the camera. It is so much fun when all the cousins play together during family holidays. They play hide and seek in the big garden of their grandparents' house. Bahar smiles looking at all the happy faces in the photos. Her family is not very big, but it is full of love and laughter. She traces the faces with her finger. Her father, Ali, is the son of her grandparents, Reza and Maryam. Her Aunt Mina is their daughter. Bahar is the daughter of her parents, Ali and Sarah, and her brother, Ome, is their son. It is like a beautiful tree with many branches. She closes the heavy photo album and places it gently on the table. Looking at the photos makes her miss them. She feels happy and warm inside, but she also wants to hear their voices. She decides to call her mother. She picks up her phone from the small table next to the sofa. She finds her mother's number and presses the call button. "Hello, Mom," she says when her mother answers. "Hello, my dear Bahar. It's so good to hear your voice. How are you?" Her mother says, and Bahar can hear her smiling. "I'm good, Mom. I was just looking at the old photo album, the brown one." "Oh, that one. So many memories," her mother says, and Bahar can hear her smiling. "Do you remember the picture of you and Lala with the bicycle?" "Yes, I was so scared, but she held on. I also saw the picture of Dad telling jokes at the party. He was so funny." They talk for a long time. Bahar tells her mother about her day. Her mother tells her about her garden. The conversation is simple and full of love. After the call, Bahar sits quietly for a few more minutes. She thinks about her family again. A family is very important. It is a circle of love. Her father, mother, sister, and brother are her close family. They are always there for her. Her grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins are also her family. They make life bigger and more colorful. She feels very, very thankful for all of them. She is a daughter, a sister, a granddaughter, an aunt, and a cousin. She has so many roles because she has so much family. It was a good day, a quiet day, but a day full of love and family memories. And that was our story for today, a family story. I hope you enjoyed meeting Bahar's family and learned some new words to describe your own. Family is a wonderful thing. Who is one special person in your family? Thank you for joining me on Easy English 101. I am your host, Bahar. Until next time, goodbye.